Hello. In this video, we want to look at an application. The quantity in grams of a radioactive substance present after T years is Q of T equals 100 e to the negative 0.421 T. Find the rate of change of the quantity present after 2 years. Okay, so our formula is right here. Q of T equals 100 e to the negative 0.421 T. Now notice that in the initial year, T equals 0, that means that we have 100 grams present. We want to find what's the rate of change of that after 2 years. In other words, how much is it being reduced after 2 years? So let's find Q prime of T. So that is what this is representing. So Q prime of T means 100 and then e to the negative 0.421 T, because it's an exponential, you just rewrite it, and multiply by the derivative of the exponential, of the exponent, which is negative 0.421. Now notice that we don't have a natural log as a scaling factor here because the base is e. Remember that. If you have a base other than e, you need that scaling factor of ln of whatever that base is. Now 100 times negative 0.421, well 100 times 0.421 means I take the decimal and move it to the right 2, and that's going to give me negative 42.1 e to the negative 0.421 t. And that would be Q prime of T. That's the rate of change at any given time t. It doesn't matter what time it is. But we are actually not looking for any time. We want it to be after 2 years. In other words, we want to find Q prime of 2. So that means negative 42.1 e to the negative 0.421 times 2. And then just type that in. And when you do, you're going to get the following. Q prime of 2 is equal to negative 18.13869934. And since we're working with grams and I probably want to round to milligrams, break it off after 3 decimal places, which is the thousandths place. This is 6, which means that needs to round up. Oops. That needs to round up to a 9 there, which means Q prime of 2 here will be negative 18.139. And for the units here, Q is in grams, so it'd be grams per, and then the independent variable is T, which is in years. Grams per year, basically. So it'd be negative 18.139 grams per year, or 18,139 milligrams per year, if you will. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.